Did you know that saying please and thank you to ChatGPT could be costing millions? Yep, you heard that right. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, dropped this wild fact, and we're diving into what it means. Every time you type please or thank you in a ChatGPT prompt, it's not just good manners, it's burning through serious cash. Why? Let's break down this mind-blowing revelation from Sam Altman himself. We've all done it, writing super polite prompts like, please can you help me with this? Thank you. But here's the catch. Every word you type costs OpenAI servers to process, and those extra niceties add up big time. Sam Altman revealed that polite words like please and thank you contribute to millions in extra processing costs for ChatGPT. Why? Because AI doesn't care about manners. It's just crunching data. The fix? Keep your prompts short and direct. Instead of, please explain quantum physics, thank you, try, explain quantum physics. Same result, less cost. So why should you care about this? Let's talk benefits. First, you'll save time. Shorter prompts mean faster responses, whether you're studying, coding, or brainstorming. Second, you're helping AI systems like ChatGPT run more efficiently, which could keep costs down for everyone. And third, you'll look like an AI pro, crafting prompts like a boss. It's a win-win. You get answers faster and you're not accidentally spiking OpenAI server bills. Here's how to nail it. Open ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool. Instead of typing, please write a 500-word essay on climate change, thank you, just write a 500-word essay on climate change. Boom, done. The AI doesn't need the fluff. It's trained to understand clear instructions, so skip the pleasantries and get straight to the point. Pro tip, be specific about what you want, like adding in simple terms or with examples to get even better results. This isn't just about saving a few cents, it's about the big picture. As millions of us use AI daily, cutting out unnecessary words helps reduce the massive energy and compute power needed to run these systems. It's a small change that makes a huge difference. Plus, you'll feel like an AI insider, knowing you're prompting smarter while the world catches up. Ready to level up your AI game? Start typing shorter, sharper prompts today. It's free, fast, and makes you part of the AI revolution. Try it now and see the difference. Love staying ahead in tech? Smash that subscribe button, like this video, and hit the bell for more AI tips. Drop a comment with your favorite prompt hack.